Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh my word, I just dropped the kids to school. Wade is actually dropping Jackson to, he has a challenge this morning before he goes to school. And it's like a computer science thing, if I remember correctly. Yes. So he has that this morning. And yeah, we got up early, got everybody together. I never get any footage of getting everybody ready because it's so hectic, to tell you the truth. But we just kind of tag team and get it done. I had Mommy's support this morning too, which was really great because it just helped to have another set of hands, you know. Up and about the day, I am heading to the gym. I started back the gym yesterday, so I'm really excited about that. And I feel so much better now that I've actually started. So slow start to the year, but I'm going nonetheless, which is the most important part, right? As I always like to say. Let's see what happens today.
Alright, so first day of school, we got the kids off. I just dropped Jackson, so Tami got Atlas and Oz off, and I can. And look who is back! Oh, no, tell me, say Momo come back. Momo is back. Nana, Momo come back.
Yes, and Ivy here her before we did.
That's true?
Yeah.
She
Ivy
she that
so to grandma and get excited before Momo said hello.
Yeah, before when I hear
Yes,
she
yes,
hear the first
yes.
hello.
No, she hear the gate. She hear when Momo must walk up to the gate or touch it.
Okay.
She has 6 cents like her mother.
You smell Momo? Come, we're staying in here.
Your Momo come back.
Momo come back. Hey Ivy. Come. Welcome Momo.
Good morning, Miss Howie.
You come back.
Yeah, man.
Good morning.
I'm arrived.
Yeah.
In 2 pieces.
Yes.
Where you going with down there? You go party?
No, I'm not going to party. I'm no party.
You do up here, don't go on a bag of thing.
I don't but just hear something. You know, redo the ends.
Yeah.
Look nice.
Yeah, thanks.
Always look
Okay.
nice.
Brian and everybody okay?
Yeah, man. Put a prank on me now. That's so cool, yeah.
Eh?
I'm going to anything. I'm going to try something.
Good. That is good. Nothing tried, nothing done.
That's right.
Nothing fried, nothing bun.
True.
Yeah, free will get nothing
fried,
what
Make sure you're strong. Make sure you're strong.
Yeah, feed Momo. Look how she happy. Look how she happy. She said, Momo, watch ya. No one.
No, we can't substitute. Well, not mommy and daddy, but me and our Tish can't substitute for you.
No man, watch this happy baby.
Oh boy.
We can't bother with it.
Yeah, crackers. All done.
All done.
Done. Okay.
Watch ya.
Oh,
Kiss. What this? A joke this.
love her.
No sir. We have to have big kiss. Yeah, and we have to have big kiss.
No, sir.
A joke this.
What happened? She eat breakfast?
That is funny. See, test it out.
Hi.
You come back.
Yes.
You got gym?
Yes.
Okay.
Remember,
I'll
you
sneak
got
off to the
you got
gym.
your pickleball. Not sneak off. No. You do your pickleball every day. I do my gym.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not replacing the gym with pickleball.
You have.
I got gym in the morning and then with the pickleball in the
No,
evening.
that's excessive.
It's not excessive.
Yeah,
No,
no.
it's not.
You don't need to do so many things.
It's not. Well, I need to do the gym, so
You don't. You're doing pickleball, which is very good for you.
no. I have to go to the gym.
Okay.
Oh, go on, you got the kids off?
Yes, I did.
How did Ozzy do?
He was fine. He was excited too. Very excited.
Yeah?
So, yeah. How did Jackson get off?
Good.
Yeah. He was excited too. They were happy to go to school, which makes me very happy. Where's Nana? She gone? She's as Momo come, she gone.
Tessie come fair right away. So yesterday, in preparation for school, we went to the dentist and got them their biannual, that's what you call it, biannual teeth cleaning. Twice a year we try to do it, so at the beginning of the year, whatever. We had a grand time. I'm going to throw to that footage right now. So we're at the dentist, Uncle Ranson, of course, with all of the boys, because it's back to school now. So it's good to start the year with a dentist clean, and then at the midpoint. So you just remember, every year you start them with a clean, and then by the middle of the year is another clean, because I think it's advised to the 2 cleans per year. Is so? 2 cleans per year? Yeah. So 2 cleans per year, that's the recommendation. As he's in there right now, so let's go and check and see how he's doing. I don't hear no screaming, so that's a good sign.
You're just spraying water on your feet.
As he's doing so good. Boozy!
Wait,
Boozy!
Wash your teeth. Those are white.
Wash my teeth.
White.
My teeth white and pretty. Yes, my G. Boom it. Alright.
These are. Oh my gosh, they're white.
Wash your teeth. Nice. That's your turn now. Where's it going?
I just said to her, throw it in the bin. She walked right over. Good job! Well done! Well done! High five, Mama. You did it. Good job.
So she understands things. She understands things, people.
Heidi, where are the flowers? Where are the flowers? Oh, wow. Touch the flowers. Pretty. Gentle. Gentle.
Mission.
You know that I have to show MTM a picture of Atlas as well, because Atlas asked me if he could draw on his water bottle, and I said no problem. And here is his masterpiece. I said, Atlas, what is this? He said it's him. It's a self-portrait.
Okay, cool.
So good.
So Tami, today is take down the tree day.
Wayne, it's literally my shame right now. I don't even want you to I didn't even want you to look at it. I started to take down all the things, but today the tree's there. I don't even want to see it.
Yeah.
Eat it. Okay, I just hit the road again. I just left Fontana and I'm on my way to, you guessed it, Lochusan. But it's really just to pick up a yogurt thingy that my mom really loves, and they're done, so I want to make sure that I have enough for her. Now guys, I have a big challenge for you. Sorry, looking at my reverse camera. I have a very big challenge for you guys, because I don't remember if I told you already or not, but the boys are fighting against the lunch program at school, and they have asked me to make lunch for them every day. And I know there are a lot of mommies out there who do it, but to me it's just one more meal to think of, and it is stressing me out. So I keep asking every mommy who I see to just, leave some suggestions for me as to what to put in there, bearing in mind that they don't really eat a lot of sandwiches. Them little hot food. So I bought the thermos things that they can keep their hot food in. I have bent go lunch boxes. Is bent go its name? The ones with the compartments. So I'm just trying to get some ideas about what I could possibly give for lunch, a few times a week. And maybe even some breakfast ideas. We're so basic with breakfast. Is always, protein, some kind of protein. So whether it's eggs and sausages or bacon, oats, pancakes, fruits, all that good stuff. But let me know. I'm very stressed out about making lunch for them every single day, and I know that for some of you that might seem like, why would you be stressed out about that? Well, it's one more meal to think about. And I just spoke to a friend of mine who I saw in the pharmacy, and I was like, nobody told us when we were growing up that one of our biggest jobs would be to think about how to feed our family every day. It's a lot. So I think I need a better system for sure. And I need to make a menu even for our home so that I'm not like brain draining around food choices. So yeah, I think that's another word for me for 2024. I think I just found it with you guys, and it's systems, and creating systems that serve me and my family. Yeah. All right, let me just go quickly get this yogurt for mom, and then back home to take down the Christmas tree once and for all. I was just getting yogurt, but guys, you know how it goes sometimes. Couple extra things needed. Stopped at Effie to get some fruits for the boys' lunch kits. So yeah, they're gonna enjoy some of the stuff that I put in there for them for sure.
Ivy, wake up. Hi, Ivy.
What's your fly?
Hi, Ivy, you wake up.
She have bangs.
Ivy, you have bang. Okay, curly bang. That way I deal with today. And
So
cane rose
cute.
around here, so.
Oh my gosh.
You know,
Tisha
so
made.
fun.
No, Tisha. No, they have a whole thing going on in there. Oh my god.
Oh, catch it. Yeah.
But honey, come now.
Catch your colors. Earth
Try your
tones.
milky. I haven't had her proper milky for a couple of days, and she's like rejecting it because she's like
Oh, what
saying
is?
it. So no, she doesn't trust that this is her real milky.
So is that the real one now?
This is the real one, but she don't believe me.
Okay. Take a drink.
Just take a sip of the milky.
Tell me if it tastes good.
Take a sip of the Mimi.
Can you tell me if it... Can I have the milk? Probably. It's your milk?
All right.
Say that's like a leave with some dry sauce or so.
Yeah. We are it. Ivy, I love you. Have fun with Dada. Go pick up the boys. Watch your shit. Take off our seatbelt. We gotta go. Bye. Good luck.
Ivy, you just make her feel like a nice-ish, don't it? Make her know so alright. We're good in her life. We'll be okay.
Mama!
Don't show me now. You'll be alright, Ivy. Trust me, I got you. And you got me. Alright? We're a team. There's no I in team. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Alright guys, so we settled down now and everybody's strapped in and ready to go. How was the first day of school? Well, not the first day technically, but the first day back.
It was okay.
How was it? Was it okay?
Yeah.
How are you guys there?
Good. I went to PE.
You went to PE? Awesome. So what's the next move?
Mama I read him song, then I play with my calling now.
Big life. I don't know which song this is.
Gio, you know what song that is?
No, it's from me a juvenile. The money I call me, call me son of Figo Benz and me hardy. So Jill, how the music I go, the single I go on?
Yo, it a gone, you know. It a get.
Tell me if me need to cost the people them if them not support you. Know?
What do you mean? No, man, MTM come through, man.
Them come through.
MTM
Alright.
come through.
Some of them come through, some of them still not come through yet. People, if you come through, type in the comment section, or if you're going to come through, type in the comment section, I'm talking the truth.
Or just hashtag truth.
Hashtag truth. Speak the truth.
Speak the truth.
We got other saying they got Tami?
Speak the truth and speak it. Hold on, stop at FN.
Speak the truth and speak it, huh? Other one they got. Oh no.
Speak the truth and
Come
speak
to
it
MTN,
whole.
man.
Speak the truth and speak it clear.
Speak it. I mean, I gotta trust you, but speak the truth and speak it whole. That not so. That not have a
I
ring
think that's
to
right,
it.
Wayne.
Speak the truth and speak it whole. I say go. MTN, please to phone call come in little while. So as me did I say MTM, go support the youth talented. Me not just say that because I'm my son.
He really is.
Gio make me look like me not try when me a film age. God know.
Same.
God know. Cause I'm busting at the business when me are like 19, 20. I'm never reach where him never even close to film skill level where him then now.
Amen.
So if he match my desire, my work ethic when me did have, him I go surpass me, my accomplishment then. Me not ask. And whereas him have me there now and Tami and Tessie and whole heap of people died in him along the way.
In music,
Yeah. And you guys obviously who will support and dare to support, you know, family deal with the thing already. So it's a good look. Song is nice. It's a very good song, well produced.
And he produced it. I don't know if people realize that you produced it, you wrote it, you even did the artwork for it, you mixed and mastered it.
Yeah, the man is a triple threat or quadruple threat because the man sing,
When it's a
produce, make the rhythm, and plus him a dancer.
Shit. Alright.
Bang! Bang! I push it too far.
Always.
I push it too far.